In this video, I'll teach you how to use the Task History feature in Planner Premium. Back in August of 2025, Microsoft rolled the project for the web application into Planner and created a totally new application known as Planner Premium. So in all of my videos coming forward, I will refer to Project for the Web as Planner Premium. In this video, I'll teach you how to use the Task History feature in Planner Premium, and boy, did Microsoft do a good job of hiding this feature. So let's get started. In this sample project, I've completely planned the project, saved a baseline for the project, and entered task progress on the first task in the project. You can see that the first task is currently 50% complete. Now what I'd like to do is look at the task history for this particular task. It's not very easy to find this task history feature, but let me show you how to do it. For the task of interest, click the Open Details icon to the right of the task name. Planner Premium will display the Task Details side pane on the far right side of the screen. Up at the top of that side pane, hiding out there in plain sight, is the new Open Task History button. That's not very obvious, is it? When you click that button, Planner Premium will display the Changes side pane to the right. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can see the complete task history. I created a new task, gave it a name, entered initial duration of 5 days, changed that duration to 10 days, then I assigned 2 resources to the tasks, then I entered 25% complete, changed it to 50% complete, and finally added a note. So that's how to use this task history feature in Planner Premium. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and click the notifications button. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.